Hi, RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. I am available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I mean, I have everything right on my shirt, so it makes things nice and easy. In the description, you'll find my email and website information. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you. We act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and give you additional perks. Please click the like and subscribe button. It costs you nothing and tells YouTube to share my channel with other people looking for vacation content. I publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is going to be about Port Everglades, Fort Lauderdale. It's pretty much Fort Lauderdale cruise port. It's basically me driving to the port. I'm going on the Disney Dream, so you'll actually see me riding down the roads from 95, going through to the cruise terminal, and you'll even see scenes inside the cruise terminal. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't cruised on a Disney cruise, you need to cruise on a Disney cruise. In the future videos, I'll have more information and more details and video from the cruise itself, but all I'll tell you is it was definitely special. So enjoy the video and hope to speak to you soon. Take care now. Bye.
plane up there?